Lavender, with its fragrant flowers that bloom in shades of purple, blue, and even white and silvery green foliage, is a beloved garden favorite cherished by many. It evokes images of sunny Provençal fields stretching endlessly under the azure sky and brings a touch of Mediterranean charm to any garden, big or small. Beyond its beauty, lavender offers a sensory delight with its calming aroma that soothes the mind. This versatile plant is also a haven for pollinators, attracting bees and butterflies to the garden, enhancing biodiversity. Growing lavender is a rewarding experience, offering both visual and aromatic pleasures. It's relatively low maintenance and thrives in sunny spots with well-drained soil, making it perfect for novice gardeners. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small balcony, there's a lavender variety to suit your space, adding elegance and fragrance. Before you embark on your lavender growing journey, gather the necessary tools and materials. You'll need gardening gloves, a hand trowel, a watering can with a rose attachment, and a pair of secateurs for pruning. For planting, choose a sunny spot in your garden or select suitable containers. Lavender prefers well-drained soil. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with grit or sand to improve drainage. You can purchase lavender plants from a garden centre or grow them from seed. Seeds require a bit more patience but offer a wider variety of choices. Lavender thrives in sunny locations, basking in at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Choose a spot in your garden that receives ample sunshine throughout the day. When planting in containers, ensure they have adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Good soil drainage is crucial for healthy lavender plants. Waterlogged roots can lead to root rot and other problems. If your soil is heavy, consider planting lavender in raised beds or containers to ensure proper drainage. Section 4. Planting your purple patch. To plant lavender, dig a hole twice as wide as the plant's root ball and just as deep. This ensures the roots have enough room to spread and establish themselves in the soil. Gently remove the plant from its container, taking care not to damage the roots. It's important to handle the plant delicately to avoid any stress or shock. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, firming it gently around the base. This helps to eliminate air pockets and provide stability for the plant. Water the newly planted lavender thoroughly, allowing the water to soak in deeply. Proper watering is crucial for the plant to settle into its new home. Space multiple plants about 1 to 3 feet apart, depending on the variety and its mature size. This spacing is essential for healthy growth and development. This spacing allows for adequate air circulation and prevents overcrowding. Proper air circulation helps to reduce the risk of disease and promotes a healthier garden environment. Section 5. Lavender Love, Ongoing Care. Once established, lavender is relatively low maintenance and easy to care for. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings for best results. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's best to err on the side of caution and check soil moisture. Prune lavender annually after flowering to maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth and more blooms. Cut back the flowering stems by about 1/3 using sharp secateurs for clean cuts. Avoid cutting into the woody part of the plant to prevent damage. Section 6. Troubleshooting your lavender. Lavender is generally pest-free but can occasionally be affected by aphids or spider mites. If you notice any infestations, treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or poor drainage. If your lavender isn't flowering well, it may not be getting enough sunlight. Ensure it's planted in a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. You can also try feeding it with a balanced fertilizer in spring. Section 7. Reaping the rewards, the joys of lavender. Having lavender in your garden offers a multitude of benefits. Not only does it add a splash of vibrant color, but it also brings a delightful fragrance that can transform any space into a serene retreat. The fragrant flowers attract pollinators, adding life and color to your outdoor space. Bees and butterflies are particularly drawn to lavender, making it a haven for these essential creatures. The calming scent of lavender creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Imagine sitting in your garden surrounded by the soothing aroma of lavender as the gentle breeze carries away your stress. Harvest lavender flowers in the morning after the dew has dried. This is the best time to ensure the essential oils are at their peak, providing the most potent fragrance and benefits. Simply snip the flower stalks with sharp secateurs. Be sure to cut just above the leaves to encourage new growth and ensure a bountiful harvest next season. Dry the flowers for use in potpourris, sachets, and other fragrant creations. Hanging them upside down in a cool, dark place helps preserve their color and scent. Lavender's therapeutic properties make it a popular ingredient in essential oils, soaps, and lotions. Its calming effects are well known, making it a staple in many natural remedies and beauty products. Enjoy the beauty and versatility of this wonderful plant in your garden. Whether for its aesthetic appeal or its myriad uses, lavender truly is a gardener's delight.